Hey everyone, this is your trainer from the Electronic Service Division of the Summation County Library. I have shown you how to use the simple plus, minus, multiplication, and division signs on the Excel spreadsheet. When you enter formula in a cell in Excel, you can have more than one way to do that. I'm going to show a different ways in this example. I'm going to select cell number B13. I wanted to add up all the cells right above me, and I can use the standard method of adding up and pointing and clicking each and every cell together with a plus sign. So let's try that first. Again, every formula begins with the equal sign, so I'm going to type in the equal sign. Then I'm going to select this one, point and click, plus, point and click, plus, point and click, plus. Even though this is empty right now, we wanted to include all those cells just in case if you are going to include any number or any data in those cells in future. Now, I have clicked my last cell already. I do not have to click any more plus sign. All I have to do is hit enter. By doing so, I got my result, and my formula bar is telling me individual cells are being connected by the plus sign. I'm going to show you another way. I'm going to select that cell, hit the delete button on my keyboard. There is an automatic summation button that you can use from the Excel homepage. It exists on the Home tab. All the way down in the editing group, there is a sign called Auto Sum. So I'm just going to simply click on that. By clicking on that, Excel is going to grab right above that active cell to include in that formula. In this situation, I wanted to include cell number B8 through B12. So all I have to do is simply click on the B8 and then make sure your mouse is in the plus white sign mode like this and hold down your left mouse button and drag it all the way down to the cell number B12 to include all of those cells. And once you're done, you hit enter. You got the same result in cell number B13. Okay, next what I wanted to show you is how to enter the data by referring to the different cells. What I'm trying to say is, in this cell number B43, the monthly income, this amount has to reflect what I have come up with the result in cell number B13. So that means I wanted to refer cell number B13 in this cell number B43. And of course, I can type 5100, the result, in that cell, but that's not going to be a practical way to do that in Excel. You can ask Excel to refer the result of the different cell into a current cell. All you have to do is just apply a formula. Again, formula begins with the equal sign. I'm going to start with the equal sign. What I want in this cell is the result in cell number B13. So I'm just going to scroll up and I'm just going to point and click cell number B13. Once I click on it, all I have to do is hit enter. By doing so, I got back to my result cell, which reflects the result in cell number B13. So equal sign can be also used to simply referencing cell. Let's do exactly the same thing for the total expenses. I want this figure to appear in this cell number B44. So you have to begin where you want to see the result. I want to see the result here, equal sign, then click on this data. I'm going to call it source data, where the data is coming from. And then after you click that, simply hit the enter button. You get to see the result in that cell. We call it cell referencing or cell linking.